Hi everybody. Hi there kids. How are you? Are you okay? Are you alright? Welcome to ZQ online learning environment again. In this video, we are going to learn the names of animals with the numbers from 1 to 10. And we'll be singing a beautiful song as well with numbers from 1 to 10. Okay, parents, get your children practice the names of animals with the numbers and plus there is and there are. There is and there are, as well as how many എത്ര animals ഉണ്ട് എത്ര മൃഗങ്ങളുണ്ട് how many animals are there, how many tigers are there. There is a tiger, there are 2 tigers, so like that. So we're going to learn these 4 things: names of animals, numbers, there are, and how many. Okay, let's get started.
Hey kids, watch and listen. Ready? What animal is this?
This is elephant.
This is elephant. What animal is this? Good. How many elephants are there?
There is one elephant.
Ask me please.
How many elephants are there?
There is one elephant. There is one elephant. How many elephants are there? Good. Ask me please. There is one elephant. There is one elephant. There is one elephant. How many elephants are there? There is one elephant. Okay. What animal is this?
This is tiger.
Ask me please.
What animal is this?
This is tiger. What animal is this? Good. This is tiger. How many tigers are there?
There are 2 tigers.
Ask me please.
How many tigers are there?
There are 2 tigers. There are 2 tigers. There are 2 tigers. How many tigers are there? Wow, good. Ask me please. There are 2 tigers. Okay, good. Next. What animal is this?
This is lion.
This is lion. Ask me please.
What animal is this?
This is lion. This is
Lion.
This is
Lion.
lion. This is lion. What animal is this? Good. How many lions are there?
There are 3 lions.
Ask me please.
How many lions are there?
There are 3 lions. There are 3 lions. There are
3
lions. Okay. How many lions are there? You may say. Good. Ask me please. There are 3 lions. Hey kids. What animal is this?
This is zebra.
Ask me please.
What animal is this?
This is zebra. What animal is this? Good. Ask me please. This is zebra. Okay. And how many zebras are there?
There are 4 zebras.
Ask me please.
How many zebras are there?
There are 4 zebras. There are 4 zebras. There are 4 zebras. There are 4 zebras. How many zebras are there? Good. Ask please. There are 4 zebras. Okay. What animal is this?
This is kangaroo.
Ask me please.
What animal is this?
This is kangaroo. What animal is this? Good. Okay. How many kangaroos are there?
There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 kangaroos.
Ask me please.
How many kangaroos are there?
There are 5 kangaroos. 5 kangaroos. There are 5 kangaroos. There are 5 kangaroos. How many kangaroos are there? Good. Ask please. There are 5 kangaroos. Good. What animal is this?
This is dog.
Ask me please.
What animal is this?
This is dog. This is dog. What animal is this? This is dog. Ask please.
This is
This is
Dog.
dog. This is dog. How many dogs are there?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 dogs.
Ask me please.
How many dogs are there?
There are 6 dogs. There are 6 dogs. There are 6 dogs. There are 6 dogs. How many dogs are there? Good. Ask please. Yes, there are 6 dogs. Look again. What animal is this?
This is cow.
This is cow. Ask me please.
What animal is this?
This is cow. This is cow. What animal is this? Good. This is cow. Ask me please. This is cow. Good. How many cows are there?
There are 7 cows.
There are 7 cows. Ask me please.
How many cows are there?
There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 cows. There are 7 cows. There are 7 cows. There are 7 cows. Okay, how many cows are there? Good. Ask please. There are 7 cows. Okay, look again. What animal is this?
This is cat.
This is cat. Ask me please.
What animal is this?
This is cat. Cat. Okay. What animal is this? Good. Ask please. This is cat. How many cats are there?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There are 8 cats.
Ask me please.
How many cats are there?
There are 8 cats. There are 8 cats. There are 8 cats. Okay, How many cats are there? Good. Us, please. There are 8 cats. Look again. What animal is this?
This is monkey.
Ask me, please.
What animal is this?
This is monkey. This is monkey. Good. And you must say, what animal is this? Good. Well done. And us, please. This is monkey. Okay. How many monkeys are there?
There are 9 monkeys.
There are 9 monkeys. Ask me, please.
How many monkeys are there?
There are 9 monkeys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There are 9 monkeys. Good. Okay. There are 9 monkeys. There are 9 monkeys. There are 9 monkeys. How many monkeys are there? Good. Us, please. There are 9 monkeys. What animal is this?
This is goat.
Ask me, please.
What animal is this?
This is goat. This is goat. Goat. Okay. What animal is this? Good. How many goats are there?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There are 10 goats.
Ask me, please.
How many goats are there?
There are
10
10 goats. There are 10 goats. There are 10 goats. How many goats are there? Good. Us, please. There are 10 goats. 10 goats. One little, 2 little, 3 little fingers, 4 little, 5 little, 6 little fingers, 7 little, 8 little, 9 little fingers, 10 fingers on my hand. Come on, let's sing it again. 1 little, 2 little, 3 little fingers, 4 little, 5 little, 6 little fingers, 7 little, 8 little, 9 little fingers, 10 fingers on my hand.
In this video, we learnt 10 names of animals, beautiful animals, and the numbers from 1 to 10. And we sang a song with numbers, and also we learnt there is, there are, and how many. Okay? Had a great time. See you next time with another video. Till then, bye-bye. Take care.